Good morning, YouTube. So today we're going to talk about, is riding motorcycle safe in India? So I am going to, I've thought of 3 points to discuss and then arrive to a conclusion. So let's get started then. So the first point that I've thought of is, do we follow traffic rules? Okay. So my observation is, out of 10 people, 4 of them follow traffic rules. So that is 40% of people, and I think I am generous on this number, 40%. So 40% of people follow traffic rules and 60% of people don't. That means whenever you are on the road riding a motorcycle, chances of you meeting an accident are roughly 60% because of those 60% of the people not following rules. Yep, that's the first point. The second point would be our roads. So the thing with our roads is, they are not designed by the people who use them, I think. Because if that was the case, then there would be some consistency in designing them. Now I understand that cities are metro cities have they have grown in last couple of decades, and the growth has been exponential, and there hasn't been enough planning that was done to understand this growth. So we don't have enough footpaths for people to walk. Forget about cycle tracks, they are just for the namesake. And not enough carriage width on the road, right? So these are the points I think. So I hope that I hope that the camera battery stays till I get on to the Nagar road, because all the points that I will discuss are pretty evident on Nagar road, and Nagar road I believe to call it as a death trap. Okay, so coming to the point of our roads. So combining the first point of rules not being followed and the second point that our roads are pathetically designed, right, or let's say not designed at all to cater so much of traffic that we have, right? So those 2 points together itself should give you an idea of what the answer of this question is going to be, right? So that is pretty fast actually. We reached to a conclusion pretty fast. So let me talk about the third point now. So the third point is an important point. See, if you take the first 2 points, it's pretty evident that someday or other you are going to, get into a mishap. So considering that you are in a car versus when you are on a bike, and if you happen to, let's say, get hit by another car or any other four-wheeler or two-wheeler for that matter, fish. So okay, let me get past through this and I'll tell you. So the point is, if you happen to be in a mishap when you get hit by another vehicle in a car versus on a bike, then in a car you are sort of protected from the car's bodywork. Yeah, you are sitting in a, let's say, a cocoon sort of thing, and the impact does not reach to you directly. However, on a bike, chances of the other vehicle hitting your limb or any other body part is very high. So that's the first part of this point. The second part is, as soon as you get hit, chances are that you are going to take a fall down, and depending upon what speed you are carrying, what speed the other vehicle is carrying, either you'll get flung into air and then you fall down, or it'll be just a kiss to the ground. In any case, you're going to suffer, your body is going to suffer a lot of damage. Yeah. So the other day I was reading about our body structure and what sort of impact our bones can take. So I think, if my memory serves me right, our body cannot take impacts more than 10, if you are traveling more than 10 kilometers per hour, your body, if happens to fall, if you happen to fall, it cannot, our bones are not made to take that impact. Yeah, so if you think about these 3 points, it's pretty evident that our roads are not safe to ride a motorcycle. And I just hope that the battery remains till I reach Nagar Road to demonstrate to all the 3 points.